Hello everyone, this is Rubí Núñez and I will present to you my FinTech class final project where I am proposing an AI driven digital solution to help our users achieve their financial goals. So let's start. First, I would like to introduce you in the Mexican economic landscape where the economic stability, job opportunities, and income level play a significant role in financial literacy of our people. And as we can see, the vast majority that struggles with money income tend to have a more immediate focus on day-to-day survival rather than long-term financial planning. So this is very sad because sometimes when you don't have a planning or well, it is super difficult to achieve your long-term financial goals. So, as we can see here, in these graphics of a study conducted by the Comisión Nacional Bancaria de Valores, which is a governmental Mexican institution, we can see in the first graphic that there is a significant population that has had financial shock in the last years, coming from big sickness or health problems, also natural disasters, loss of income, death in the family, thief over damage, or a big accident, between others. And also, these same people who has these shocks in the last years, the most of them, as we can see here with the 73%, cannot recover their financial health even after 3 months of this event. So that means that they are struggling even 3 months or more after this event happened. So, what could be a good solution? Well, for this, I would like you to imagine why, if we design an AI powered solution to help our users understand their financial situation, that it is a kind of education that we can give them through these technology tools. And with this, we can give them advice about their next movements based on their current goals, habits, and needs. So, with this, we are proposing here a system that would send you personalized alerts and notifications to to help you to stay on top of your financial commitments, such as bill due dates, savings, investment opportunities, or even opportunities to reduce your expenses based on your consumption habits. Well, the justification for this is that Mexican people have several economic long term goals, and their main desire is to achieve them through personal savings. So we can help them to make this goal a reality. Well, we base this, this justification in this data, also provided by this study of the Comisión Nacional Bancaria de Valores, that in September of 2019 says that the percentage of adults expressing their goals is like mainly for children's education, land or house to live in, pay off their debts, well, big things for personal use. It could be a computer or also even a car, for their retirement savings, for their land house for rent, for vacations, or for having another kind of vehicle, or well, and some of them have these big expenses or long-term debts or long-term goals in other aspects in their lives. So with this, we can see that the device usage to meet these goals is mainly in the 35% in, well, think for their personal savings, which means that the most of them have this desire for having these long-term goals through their well, through their economic independence. But for this, we see here that their savings behaviors are almost all with their savings at home, which means that they don't have another formal tools for having these savings or even to convert the savings hmm, into investment. So as we can see here, the only the 14% of the Mexican population have or are saying that they have a formal account, and they don't have like super strong habits of saving. So with this, it would be super difficult to achieve their financial goals. So the implementation of this project, imagine how easiest your life could be if you have this assistant, this personal assistant powered by artificial intelligence that tells you, you know, I noticed that you have a speed limit ticket today and there is a 50% of discount, 50% of discount if you pay it today. It would be awesome, no? Because it is giving you knowledge that you didn't have. It is saving you money, but also is saving you the time. Or there is a better deal if you pay your gas with your Amex TDC. Oh, well, as we manage several accounts, maybe if this already gives you this advice that there are some deals that paying the same thing with another card would make you more cash back, or any offer that your credit card is giving to you, it would be also time saving, and also it could give you or represent for you a saving. Or another use could be like, tomorrow is the deadline to pay for the predial. The predial in Mexico is like the tax that you pay for your for having a land, and with this you can avoid 400 pesos Mexican pesos fee. With this you are saving, but also it is like super easiest to not have this thought always in your mind, but also to have a reminder in this implementation. Or another use could be like, Amazon's price has a peak, so it could be a good moment to sell your stocks. It is giving you advice based on the behavior of the market, and also knowing how, which are your assets and how you can use it in a better way. Or the last one that I like the most, that is the flight to Cancun you were looking for, drop to 500 pesos. So it is a very good time to buy it. It is also like a personal assistance that is saving you money, and it is not only understanding your habits, but also understanding the environment of the different things that you would like to have, but also how to achieve your financial goals. So the impact and potential that this could have, as we can see in this table, is that in Mexico we have more than 120 millions of economically active population by the second quarter of 2023. And as we see in the study conducted by the Estudios de Inclusión Financiera by the Comisión Nacional Bancaria, we see that the basic needs for our market as the transfer of value with the 71%, liquidity of their money with 92%, resilience with 90%, and meeting their goals in 85%. So imagine how much population you can impact with an idea like this, and it could also I think that it could also motivate to move forward the economy in Mexico, because the better you uh, save or spend your money, the most healthy economy we can have as a country. And also, for example, in the case of the user, they can develop their economic potential, setting their goals. For example, here is like, what if I said that I would like to achieve this goal of spending only the 50% of my income in my needs? That is, it could be the rent or the mortgage, a car payment, the utilities, or my groceries. The 30% in my wants, like streaming services, shoppings, or my vacations, and the rest I would do it for my savings or even debt that I have with interest of long-term debt, like an emergency fund, retirements, or my child's education. With this, the assistant could by artificial intelligence, like project your goals and also help you to understand what is your economic situation and how you can do better to achieve what you want in the future. Well, this is my solution, and I would like to have your feedback, and see you.